you know, I was planning to sit here and talk about how impossible it feels at the moment to be able to complete a half Ironman. I've just finished a 38-mile bike ride and I was so sore, my legs were tired, my undercarriage was so sore. It just felt like torture. I just wanted the ride to end. And I thought, no, because the one thing that got me through the last 6 or 7 miles on that bike ride was telling me that this discomfort is where the growth lies. It's uncomfortable because I'm pushing myself beyond anything that I've ever done before. And a thought that came to me is that physical change comes in pushing yourself beyond your current physical boundaries. It's doing 38 miles where before you could only do 32. 38 miles for me, that's the longest I've ever ridden in my entire life in one go. It's fantastic, and my heart rate was in the right zone. It was about 137, which is really good. My average pace was 15 miles per hour, just over. It's exactly where it needs to be. So the process is working. And I came to realize that mental change, character change, spiritual change comes in how we actually interpret what happens to us. Interpreting this ride. So I could look at this and be bummed out and say, at the moment it's impossible to do a half Ironman. And yeah, it is. But the half Ironman is still 4 months away. But I've made significant progress. If I'd have told myself even 2 months ago that I could go out and even cycle 30 miles and not spend the rest of the day in complete pain, I wouldn't have believed it. Yet here I am, I've just completed 39 miles and I don't feel too bad. Sure, I don't want to sit on a bike saddle for a while, but I feel good. I feel really good, I feel energized, and I feel like I've taken that next step, and then next week the next step, and then the week after that's going to be the next step. We're heading in the right direction. It's really good. And that's the takeaway. Things are working. Just keep doing what we're doing. And come June, we'll be ready. Speak to you again soon.